through careful examination of important historical, religious, and scientific figures like St. Augustine, Galileo, and Darwin, a consideration of contemporary discourse, and general principles of philosophy, Barber described 4 different models for describing the relationship between science and religion. These models are as follows. 1. Science and religion are in fundamental conflict. This is essentially the warfare model that we've seen exemplified in the work of folks like White, Dawkins, and Ham. 2. Science and religion are separate domains of knowledge and study, famously referred to as non-overlapping magisteria, or NOMA, by the Harvard evolutionist Stephen Jay Gould. According to this view, there can be no conflict between science and religion because they fundamentally deal with different realms of knowledge. Science deals with facts about the natural world, while religion deals with such things as values and morality. For example, science can help us understand the biological and psychological basis for human self-centeredness, but not why this orientation constitutes evil. Science can tell us how life formed over countless eons, but not what the purpose or meaning of life is. These fall into the realms of religion and faith. 3. Science and religion can have meaningful dialogue. In this view, there are things to talk about that might spur thinking and creative innovation, but both fields remain generally separate. We see this dialogue in action when the Big Bang is compared to the opening of Genesis, or when sin is compared to biological selfishness. 4. Barber's preferred model was called integration, which occurs when science and religion are engaged in mutually enriching synthesis. Conversations about evolution being God's method of creating, or the fine-tuning of the universe being God's handiwork, invite us to dismantle the wall between science and religion, and imagine that all knowledge is part of a unified whole.